Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already discussed a lot of topic related with our grammar section as well as writing section. During that very discussion, I have already provided you a lot of informations, ideas and guidelines related with these all the topics. During our discussion, we have already tried our best to sort out so many problems related with these two topics like grammar section as well as writing section. That's why today I think to start our literature reader. So first of all, every one of you should know about English literature. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously have to watch my today's video and follow me. English literature. Regarding your English literature book, it can be divided into following three parts as prose section, poetry section and drama section. Now, we should have to discuss about the facts of these three parts like prose, poetry and drama. First of all, we have to discuss something related with prose section. Prose section is a combination of two types of stories as fictional or imaginary and next one like factual, real or true. These two types of a story may be also divided into two parts as comedy or tragedy. Similarly, our poetry section is also divided into its two types or groups as fictional or imaginary and next one like factual, facts, real as well as like the prose section, comedy or tragedy. Now my dear students, we would have to discuss something related with division of a poem regarding its verses. Regarding verses, a poem will be divided into these groups like C, S, S, O, S, B. It's the clue to understand a poem regarding its verses. Now, here C stand for coupled. Coupled here is word mainly formed by couple. As we know that couple means pair. It means coupled is a poem or a style of poem as well as a structure of poem consisting only two verses sets. Next one here, S stand for stanza. A structure of poem consisting only four verses is known as a stanza. Next one here were letter like S. S here stand for sestet. It means those type of a structure of poem consisting 6 verses is sestet. Next letter here O stand for octave. It means those type of poem consisting 8 verses, that's the octave. Second last letter like S here stand for sonnet. Those type of poem consisting only and only 14 verses. It means not more than 14, not less than 14. Exact 14 verses is sonnet. Now its last letter like B here. B here stand for ballet. And those type of poem consisting more than 14 verses, it may be near about 54 to 108 verses, that's the ballad. Now its third part like drama section. Drama section is also divided into two types or groups as fictional, imaginary regarding characters or places. Similarly, its second part, that's the factual, facts, real or true regarding its characters or places, as well as comedy or tragedy. Now my dear students, I am sure that few of you, especially the students of standard 9th, have some problems because these all the topics are new for you. So for your support, I would have to think, I have to provide you some important notes regarding the words I have already mentioned in my discussion. First of all, like fictional or imaginary. Those types of story related with prose, poem or drama that totally based upon the imagination of the author, poet or dramatist is known as fiction or fictional. Next one now. Factual or real. Those types of a story related with prose, poem or drama that totally based upon its facts or reality is known as factual or real. Next one, now like the words comedy. A starting of a story with sorrow or painful situation but finishing with joy or pleasure is known as comedy. Whereas tragedy is totally opposite of comedy. It means tragedy now, a starting of a story with joy, pleasure, but finishing with sorrow or pain, such types of stories are tragedy. At last, regarding our discussion, I have already used a word here that may be new for you, like verses. Verses here stand for each and every sentence or explanations as well as lines of poem is known as verses. Thanks a lot. Next day we have to start our next topic. God bless you and hope to see you again.